nyal ka nasar. Gat chiem nyal ka nasar. La de je gadun ukun in New York. Awaben chala de lul re kong. Ede kuma ben ka koba. Che Georgia lakach. Men roi kon ta walle. Till the day kuma mate ka koba. It is reported by Radio Tomaso, iRadio, men jit walk jena. But I can't go right, men jit walk for Akobo, confusion. Kere dugu lungara da bentiu oye. Bentiu kere dugla na kalam da bentiu now. Kawang. Dugu mada karamu. Dugu. Kere dugu kalam da bentiu. What the fuck? Bentiu mangap. Dugu. Ayo. Aha. Aha. Ngap ke kendi al jang mutul lot. Aywa. Man madam kirga ja dur diliye jol. Ijam sho. Yan gare ko la minga lai dal jam. An chiga tedi? Naga de man jul wi le mu to de ro. Akuma. Ne man ya nyun man jul le ra de. Aywa. Wang me mol kire wi bang me lu. Lu tu nya jien de wa de ma la jena. I found my people in Nuer. Woo! I don't know going to get you. I've been looking for these people. They don't give a damn. I don't do Lungara Batana Tamamde. They're not going to kind about. No. Could do Lungara Batana. But Chawadilla. Yenate Nas. Menjala the Gadun. Gadmutilwat. Shamje. Lure Kong. Ija Akobo Kabaji Kuma. Che Georgia Lakach. There's too many souls that said no. Akobo Kana Kabaji Kuma. Men jit walk jene. GSPLIO. Allah de GSPLIO men children ngut. Me jikana ngut. Ije de Kuma jabe. Kamaiti yindit. Chigo wa you know what? Let's withdraw. Bana Akobo empty. Let them come to town. SPLIO Amal withdraw tactics. Amal withdraw. The kind of my youth can doubt the youth GSPLIO. Then when they withdraw, they Kuma, few of them, not a lot of them, they came to Akobo town. When they came to Akobo town, then they said we capture Akobo, Akobo Cup. Then Lure Pibilpam, without knowing, he came to live video. And he said, we capture Akobo. Chala de Paul Nang, that's Halidial. Chai Chola de Kuma that Akobo now is under our control. Bia Yanali. Then the Babni over Teacher Batam or Bad Vidajet. They try to cross to Akobo town, then there's no way. Year Jatin. Barfi, I can be the year by year mook. Kadabamni, Katashani, Chalariak Medit. Then what happened? They Kuma, Michigan and it, that's the Babat Mabaji. O Taksharat Mabaji land bar Malian. O Mafi Kubur, Mafia Batau bar Arbat with Okuma. She got it. Allah native of Ridge. Now the Kanjab to Akobo town, they Kuma. They went back to their military on the other side. Then why army? GSPLIO. That why army? They went after them and they did some head and run. Woman Ajam, Jet with Okuma, and then why army Amal. In this case, Akobo. God forget why army. Akobo is not under control but SPLIO, and Akobo is not under control but South Sudan People Defense Force. Akobo is under control but why army. Why we speaking now? But J. Kuma, they still preferring their military allow bigger Benka Akobo. SPLIO, nobody know where SPLIO is. But men right conta, native which ka Akobo, ka la Wyoming, Gangdor, whatever you call them Wyoming, they are the one now in Akobo. So Akobo, kalam al galu gibel Akobo Akobo de kuma, ekat, okuma ja, dekal fi Akobo, la SPLIO fat. SPLIO withdraw without fight. Chica Jen, I can get out of yacht, can GSPLIO. They went somewhere. Could they go take it? Then, G Kuma, they method, they Kuma, Chebenda Redwich. They came. They method, bus man, get here. They came to Akobo town. Chica Akobo, Benjig, nobody at home, no SPLIO, no Wyoming. Then, the Babne, Warbat with Okuma. I can bigger ben for Akobo town. Bigger chop for Akobo town. Chelari yang medit. Dung mai de go. Lana yer jatin. Uman ma bakta bar fi. Achan uman yakta bar ma vitarega. Dan jejel kan gar Medina. Ala de kuma uman raja. Uman raja le jej betam nak ma le fi jej ketir. Dan Wyoming. Wyoming chekana ngajala sil de SPLIO sil de kuma mejo Darwich. They came Wyoming. And then they mobilized and they went to attack what we call head and run. Top. Chicken and knock, I chicken rubber. Then they came back to town. Wyoming is controlling Akobo town. Akobo town get Tet Kuma or Tet GSPLIO. There's no SPLIO in Akobo now. There's no South Sudan People Defense Force. Fee Wyoming, fee Akobo. Fear Wyoming, fear Akobo while we're speaking now. Akobo is controlled by Wyoming now. Akobo is not controlled by South Sudan People Defense Force. Akobo is not controlled by SPLIO. Akobo is controlled by Wyoming. According to the news now, you go listen from Radio Tamazoy, you go listen from iRadio, you go listen for 2 minutes source. That's why Radio Tamazoy got you know. Why Luray came outside and he announced that we captured Akobo. Luray was speaking in Bilpam. Luray Mabaharible, did you know Asalfi Akobo? He doesn't even know what happened in Akobo. He's just running his mouth. He went to Bilpam. Luray could have made it to Akobo. Quick, yeah, Carl Luma Barbook. Men get off Akobo, China years, Chadao the yacht, Kandao the yacht, Luray just talking according to the news, wrong information. So, as we're speaking now, Akobo can cover Jikuma, Akobo still a GSPLIO Mutatin, Teniji Wyoming, Fidakala Akobo. So, Utum Jinubin, Kalam al Galu Gabele, that's Akobo Misago, Kalam Natala Kidif, Tala Kidif Minokuma. I asked the order. Okid SPLIO sharp fi jej katir jay jej bida hukuma SPLIO gal kaluma ni dakal nan mai shagal maok kan uma ni dakal lo man wasal fi jo city anana ba shagal uman therefore lo nana shagal uman wanana taradu man silab do man babda lena silab do hukuma al katir be arbat de babda lena so let them come jej bida hukuma ja ukiduman wasal fi bar عشان arbat do hukuma yakta bar biga ma fi tariqa de babat وتكشيرات بدا حكومه ما قطع بار الى جيج بسيط من حكومه قام دخل في Akobo town ده ما Akobo كله Akobo مدينه وكده من وصل في Akobo مدينه سلا رمش اجيك ما بزول لقاو هناك SPLIO ما في Wyoming ما في we know موطن بدا Akobo شالو برا 2 days ago before their line موطن بدا Akobo قاعد في عبد فدود عبد هناك ما في موطن في Akobo تاني then Hukuma ja dakal fi Akobo. Woman gal what the fuck happened here? Le ma fi zol. Ma fi Moton. Ma fi Wyoming. Ma fi jej. Now the amal it's just a ghost town. Ma fi zol enough. Ya woman gal gal ya kwana nana mabugod fi malela and we don't know what will happen next. Anana besit. Narja le jej bitana enough. Kala duman raja gata bar. Ukiruman gata bar. Fi daj banaru Wyoming civil defense force with Nuer. Woman shabu de SPLIO jara. Mishi gaba mishi where nobody know. Ujij with Okuma Raja, yella SPL Wyoming ja dakal bi Medina. Ukiduman dakal bi Medina, amal mobilize, and then they went Uman meshi aja hukuma. Top. Uman jara. Hukuma gal gade kalas. Mana chakala fi. Ila hukuma kata fi baradak. Wal fela ayo mafi naza garin fi Medina. De waya me o garin fi Medina bata Akobo. Lo fizol gale kum gala Akobo mesugo. De kan misinformation. Kalam luro galo da de kan kedif uma barabo. Luro kan gari kalam bebil fam. Luro kan gari kalam bebil fam. Akobo da le fi jungle state. Den bayit ziyada. So men jala luro da cha Akobo ka bi kuma je jaja lakai. Da ba kalama dai. Da kalama da news da Junub Sudan kulum. Da kalama da news da Juba Zaro. Sudan Force Guard fi Juba. Radio Tamaris Guard